When life gets you down, fry more bacon. And Raja completely agrees with that sentiment. Right, Raja? And just in case you thought I was joking, and hopefully y'all can hear me okay. Hello? I'm using my fancy mic, lapel mic, because air conditioners are running and it's hot out here. And I want you to be able to hear me, my wonderful voice, my voice made for radio or something. Okay, we got a hot griddle. This is set on pretty low, but as you can see, it's hot. Our high altitudes, and what am I using this? It's a nice hot day, so things get hot up here. We're having BLTs tonight. I love BLTs, and this may be my last bacon for a while. Or meat, or fat, or sandwiches. I got some blood results back, and my doctor says I really need to cut back on carbohydrates and protein, and basically food. I get gout, which hadn't been a problem for a whole year, but I had a recent outbreak. So I had pretty much nothing good to eat or drink for about a month. Lots of tart cherry juice. It's cleared up now, but the uric acid level is still high, higher than normal. So, and high protein foods can cause or be a contributor, among other things. Alcohol, shellfish, red meat, fat, fried foods, bacon. I'm running out of room. I started too far over. Anyway, and I had been trying, most popular diets these days are low carb, high protein. Well, protein's what causes gout. One of the things, so had to stay away from my protein shakes and protein bars and protein this and protein that. And I was using a lot of protein shakes when I had the outbreak. So, anyway, take away carbs and protein and gout-causing stuff. What's that leave? Pretty much vegetables. Ugh, pig. Not all vegetables. Yeah, I'm flipping these too soon. Too busy thinking about vegetables. It's in my head. Rice. Like I said, the veggies. White meat chicken, I guess. Maybe. So, put it over here. That's what I'm gonna have to be doing. More vegetables. No bacon. Moderation of things like eggs and beef, fish. No, I love shrimp. I love my shrimp. I mean, I'll still have some once in a while, but it's gonna suck. No beer, no booze, but that's a price we pay to stay alive. My triglycerides and my A1C and my uric acid are all high. And this has been sitting in the fridge, this thing of bacon saying, "Eat me, eat." Well, excuse me, eat me. So today, BLTs, which has, you know, lettuce and tomato. So that's almost a salad, right? For a while I've been, instead of bread, I've been using tortillas. So there'll be more of that. And I know I don't look like I need to lose weight, but it happens to the best of us. Now, believe it or not, and you probably won't, when COVID started, I was almost skinny, almost. I had went on the physician's weight loss program, was it about 3 years ago? Maybe it was 4 now, I've lost track. 3 or 4 years ago, I got a new store-bought knee, and they couldn't do it because my BMI was too high. I had to lose weight, and by golly, I had to have the new knee. So got on that, ate HMR foods through them, and 3 of their meals or shakes a day, I believe it was, and 5 servings of fruits or vegetables. Not so much the fruits because of all the sugar, but it worked. I lost 40 pounds in about 3 months, healthily, without starving myself, without being drastic. It was wonderful. I would go straight back to the HMR in a heartbeat, except for the fact that it's high protein. It's not crazy like 50 grams of protein per meal, but it does up your protein, which has all the stuff that sets off gout. So trying to find that happy middle ground. By the way, I'm making my bacon crispy because that's what my lovely assistant likes, and I prefer it too. We like a little bit of crunch. Actually, these are done. So let me add some more paper towels. Ta-da! See, now by the time this cools off a little, it'll be standing up on its own. So, we like our bacon crispy, and I wish I had a rhyme for that, but it's either too hot or I'm having bacon withdrawals or something, I don't know. It's entirely possible my microphone's not even working and you can't hear a single word I'm saying. So maybe I'll just play this and fast forward with a fancy music background. Whew, it's hot. Where were we? Bacon? Yeah, gout sucks. If you've had it, you know. If you haven't had it, well, count yourself lucky. Like I said, my triglycerides and A1C's up, which means I'm getting near diabetic levels, and nobody wants that. So I'd say giving up bacon, at least for a while, be much better than I don't know, what do diabetics do? Take insulin shots or something? I don't have to live entirely on rabbit food. I'll get a little bit of, like I said, moderation. Shrimp like once every few months, maybe. Bacon once a year on holidays. Nice big thick porterhouse once a year. Yeah, it's not the end of the world. Regular viewers, and I know you're all regular viewers, know that I do experiment with vegan and vegetarian foods. I'm a confirmed omnivore, but sometimes I just like to find out what Beyond brats taste like, or griddled cactus, or whatever meat-like substances are out there. Actually, not so much the meat-like substances, because most of them suck. The pretend meats. But the some of the stuff isn't bad. Some of it is. But no, I'm not switching to cauliflower rice, although that's not bad. I'm not switching to Beyond Burgers, which honestly, if you look at their label, beef is healthier for you and has less junk than some of the fake meats. Blah, 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 blah. So I'll reassess. It'll give me some new things to cook on the griddle. I have been making a lot of soups, which is why I haven't had as many griddle videos, because I've been using the air fryer, which chicken comes out incredible in the air fryer if you do it right. What else have I been playing with? Oh, the soups. I use the cooker to make soups. That's my Emerald whatever fake Ninja cooker. And I've been trying to, like I said, eat healthier. When I first got the griddle, I was griddling anything and everything like 3 times a day. I was on a quest for the perfect grilled cheese. So I was eating a lot of griddled cheese, excuse me. Which isn't necessarily the healthiest. But I backed off of that. And now here we are. Vegetable fried rice, maybe. Anyway. Hold on. So we got our bacon. We got squirrels down the hill fussing over something. There's a ton of squirrels. Anyway, we got the sun in our eyes. We'll make do. Still, I hope you'll keep watching, because I'll still be creative and witty and make screw-ups so you don't have to. And once again, thanks for watching, thanks for following, thanks for liking, sharing, helpful comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!